Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Trading Zone. In this video, we are going to analyze the charts of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session, that is 28th of September 2022. Before I get into the detailed analysis of the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty, if you are somebody who is new to this channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. Also, hit the like button if you are liking the content which I post on this channel. Not to forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos on this channel. Well, that being said, let's go to the chart and analyze what are the levels for the tomorrow's trading session. So if you see the trading activity today, what Nifty has done today is it has just traded between the range. So if you are somebody who watch my weekly analysis, I clearly marked these levels, that 17,160 on the upside and 16,980 is the level where one should be looking out. So that is what has happened. Nifty just gapped up and it got rejected from 17,160 zone. And then there was a clear sharp selling which took place, and then you can clearly see it got bounced back from 16,980 zones, right? Though it overshoot that zone, but there was clear buying activity which was seen in Nifty. So what are the important levels we can see for upcoming trading session is the question, right? So if you see the chart of Nifty in 15 minutes chart, what you can see is Nifty is clearly trading in the zone, right? The zone is 17,180 to 16,970. So if we happen to trade above or below this, then we can expect Nifty to break out this price zone. So you get a good opportunities tomorrow being Wednesday. So you can expect some amount of volatility because Thursday being the monthly expiry, there are chances that there could be a rollovers in the monthly contracts. So our trading plan would be anything beyond 17,190, a solid close above 17,190. Then we would be looking out for a bullish setup above this price zone, and then we would be expecting the target of 17,285, and our next target would be 17,350 on the upside. Whereas on the downside, if we happen to break 17,960 very decisively with a bearish pattern, then we are heading towards 16,800 zone. That could be a very good support for Nifty, where we can expect some bounce in Nifty on the intraday basis. However, 16,800 is also a very solid support. One can expect a solid up move in that zone. So 16,800 is the zone where all the shorts should be careful. That's the thing which I wanted to say positionally as well. However, on the intraday basis, we might initiate some buy positions near 16,800 if we trade close to that zone. So this is pretty much what I see on the Nifty. If we are trading within this zone, that 16,970 to 17,170, then it is just a range bound market. As an option buyer, you should avoid it. Tomorrow being Wednesday, there can be a huge decay in the option premiums. So as an option buyer, try to avoid the trades between the range which has been traded from last 2 days. Any breakout above this or below this, that's the opportunity where a buyer should encash the opportunity. So well, this is the analysis which I see on the Nifty. If you have any questions, queries, do comment below in the video so that I can understand your questions and answer to your questions through a comment, or I can make a video if you are not able to understand anything related to this video and analysis. With that being said, it's time to say goodbye. Until we meet in another video with another interesting analysis, I would like to say bye. Happy trading.